Hey guys, I'm Miss Pester. I'm going to be your art teacher for the rest of virtual learning. And I just wanted to introduce myself and give you guys some basic information about some changes that you might see around the art virtual classroom. So I'll be making these changes in the next day or so. And I just kind of wanted to give you guys the rundown on how to do some basic things, like how to go ahead and submit attendance, what that's going to look like, where the recorded lesson is going to be, and all those really basic things. Right, so here is one of my first grade classrooms, and this is what it's going to look like. Every Monday, I go ahead and I post that week's lesson and the lesson video. That's to help parents who are working and who are kind of juggling a couple things at once so that you can get to the art lesson when you can. Just so you know, the attendance link is only going to be open until Friday at 6 p.m. though. After that, I do go ahead and I shut it off for the weekend. If you can only get to the art lessons on the weekend, just go ahead and shoot me an email. I'm going to go ahead and put that information up on my first post, and it's in classwork as well. Now, when you go ahead and press the attendance link, that should look pretty similar to what Mrs. Witherspoon was doing, where you have your first name, last name, and it's going to say who is your teacher, and I will put the teachers for her classes right here. So you will see yours next time. Click on it, first name, last name, press submit, and you are good to go for that lesson. Also, if there's any important information, I like to usually put it right underneath that attendance link, materials, so that you know what you need to use for that art project. And at the bottom here, there will be the recorded lesson for the week. The major changes you're going to see are in classwork. So if you have some notification, things are being moved around and stuff, no worries. So first thing that you're probably going to notice, and it's going to stay at the top, is the art attendance link. So whenever you finish that lesson that week, you can click on it, and it's that same art attendance. Again, you only have to do it one time every week after you finish your lesson. The Tim Burton self-portrait is going to be up as well. That's going to look very similar to the way it looked, except I am going to go ahead and add the Tim Burton reference handouts here. So when you click on this, you go ahead and click here. It'll take you to a Google slide, which has all of the proportions and all of the practice drawings and things to help you draw your Tim Burton artwork on it, including really cool things like hair, anything just to help. So again, that's in classwork under Tim Burton self-portrait, Tim Burton reference. The bottom section is going to change quite a bit. It'll just say important info, taking a photo on the iPad or Chromebook. When you click on this, there will in a moment be 3 things that go ahead and pop up. When we go ahead and we turn it in, I will post videos too on how to do that to help. This is the written version of those directions. Same with turning it in. Here's going to be the written directions, and then here and here will be the videos for you to view. But we're not there yet. We're not going to go ahead and turn in the artwork until we're completely done. So the next time you have art class with me, when we talk about coloring, we will also talk about turning it in. And again, at the bottom, if you guys ever need to get in contact with me, again, the easiest way to do so is to go ahead and click the link and then email me here. All right, so I'm hoping that that kind of helps with any questions you might have and any changes you might see in your art Google Classroom in the next week or so. All right, have a good weekend. Hope you guys are having fun with the lesson. See you guys next time. Bye.